Hey friends, it's me, Ricky, aka Geek Pop, back with another Magic the Gathering Spider-Man booster pack. We're gonna get right into this and see what we can get. So, get this open, come on. Don't know why I'm struggling with it, but going right into a Passenger Fairy, Electro's Bolts, Spider-Rex, that's cool. Got the common crit card. City Pigeon, okay. Mechanical Mobster. Scouting the city, or scout the city, but you know, he's scouting. Terrific team up. Oh, that looks really cool. Look at that. Let me pull this a little closer. We got both Spider-Man, Peter Parker, and Miles Morales versus Venom. That looks really cool. Oh, we got Morbius. No, it's not Morbin time. Wisecrack. Arcane Psionic Weaver. Awesome. Rocket-powered Spider Goblin Glider. Wow. Got the Subway Train. I cannot speak all of a sudden. Wow. We have the Savage Mansion. And we have this artifact card. We flip around to food. So there you go. Pretty nice cards here.